down a little bit because I have something that I need to share with you. معلش, bear with me. Bear with me. You're the one? MashaAllah, what's your name? Michael, okay. Okay, MashaAllah, Ramadan, as they say, is Kareem. Allah shows us His generosity. After Jum'ah prayer today, we had Amos, who entered the fold of Islam and declared his Shahada, and he became a Muslim. And today, I was approached that there is another person who wants to become a Muslim. And mashallah, all of them are as young as me. So, what's so funny, brother? أنت عم تضحك كمان؟ Okay, so mashallah, I have Michael with us, okay, and for some reason, people who have very short hair are entering into Islam. Do you remember Amos? Are you with us, Amos, now? Is he? No. Okay, so maybe I scared him off when I told him that I'll take him for Umrah and have him shaved. Okay, so Michael, inshallah, do you want to keep your hair or? Yeah. He said yes. Okay, so Michael wants to become a Muslim, and Michael, I want you to repeat after me, inshallah.
Inshallah.
No, okay. I love it. Okay. No, inshallah means God willing. So I said, God willing, you will repeat after me whatever I'm going to say. I'll say it first in Arabic, then I'll say it in Chinese, then I'll say it in no, that's not. Okay, I'll just say it in Arabic, then in English, so that you will know what I'm saying.
Okay.
Hold this. Okay, and you look at them. Okay, and so that they will hear you. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa Allah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulu Allah. I bear witness that there's no deity worthy of worship but Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. And I bear witness, this is extra by the way,
okay,
that Isa, Jesus is the messenger of Allah. MashaAllah. Let me Allah. Okay, Michael, see, if I had more time, I would have explained it before, that when you said, I bear witness that there's no deity worthy of worship but Allah, we are not calling God by name, because Allah is the Arabic for God, okay? And we say Allah because in Arabic, Allah has no plural. There's no such thing as Allahs. Whereas, if we say God, we can say gods, okay? But because Islam is based on the oneness of God, we say Allah because there's no Allahs, okay? So that's why we said it. And the reason I added that we bear witness that Isa, who is the Arabic for Jesus, okay, is the messenger of God, because we believe he's a messenger, he's a human being, he is not the son of God. God did not beget, meaning he did not give birth to anybody. He was not born from anybody. God is eternal, and God is self-existing. Okay, so that's why we said that, so that you will feel it inside of you. Now, this is the beginning now. It's not that you became now a scholar of Islam. None of us is a scholar of Islam, but inshallah we'll continue to learn slowly. And I just want to say that I said to his friends, we will inshallah do the Shahada after Taraweeh before Witr. They said, no, because he wants to pray Taraweeh with us. That's wonderful. Okay, so you take a place with your friends, okay, give him some place cozy enough in between all of us, inshallah, and we will now, mashallah, we have